Hello everyone, my name is Sahand, the creator of this fun little project named Kojaw, which pretty much helps you to lay out your bedroom, living room, kitchen, whatever room that you want to figure out where to put your furniture items in. So you can move your furniture items around, you know, just kind of have some fun with it. This is a little instructional video of how to use this little app. And anyway, I hope you dig it. Okay, so first of all, you need to have the measurements of your furniture items and your room in order to draw the layout for it, unfortunately. You just need to have the measurements. And once you have those measurements, you can go ahead and create the layout. So first of all, um, let's just create a layout of my room together. So let's say uh, my room is 125 inches and 122, and you can name it as well. Let's just name it Sahan's bedroom, and let's hit create room. So there you go. We have my bedroom. Um, and here you see here we have like labels here, measurement labels, which is 10 feet 5 inches by 10 feet 2 inches. You can change these labels to be inches only. And that's only when you're like in the inches measurement unit. You can also change the whole measurement unit of the whole app to the metric system. And there we go. You have it in the metric system. You can input all the measurements in centimeters now. Anyway, um, so we have the room. Now let's just add a wall. So you can also zoom in to have like a better view of this thing. And you just click in your room, and we have this nice display here that would kind of display the measurement bigger. And you can hit the escape button for it to like just cancel. And here you can change it. Let's just change the labels to inches because my measurements are all in inches. Okay, so let's hit click, and you can hold shift down for it to just be like in a straight line, either horizontal or vertical. Okay, now let's draw my wall here. So let's say my wall is 11 inches and 46. There we go. 46, 11. Just kind of trying to be accurate here. Click, and then you click on that. And there we go, 46 inches. Now you can go back to the select state, and then you can just move the wall around. And it has collision detection, so it's impossible for you to like overlap your actual room. So let's just place our wall here. Now let's add a furniture item. Let's say I want to add my bed in here. Okay. Say it's 57, 79 inches. Add furniture. Add it here. There we go. Now you can hit R to rotate, and there we go. It just rotates the furniture item for you. And you can just place it right here. And one thing is that it only rotates furniture items if it has enough room, just like real life. So let me give you an example. For example, if I have my bed all the way in the corner right here, see, if you hit R, it says it can't rotate because, well, technically it doesn't have enough room to rotate the bed. So what you gotta do is you gotta move it here so it has enough room, and then you can just like hit R, and then you can rotate it as much as you want. And you can keep adding furniture items. For example, I have a dresser, and this is like 36 by 18. Add it here. There we go. It adds in a dresser. And it also has collision detection, so it's impossible for you to like overlap stuff. And that's how you use it. And then you can hit save right here. So you can save your file as a floor plan file, right? So if you accidentally refresh the web page and everything's gone, if you have saved it before, you can like load it up and keep designing your thing. So for example, let's just call this like demo 1. Save. Okay. Now if you hit refresh, right, you can click on open, and you can load in the demo file. And there we go. You can keep adding stuff. And that's it. Feel free to check out, the how to use guide right here, or the about section for the link to GitHub. And this is the link to the actual GitHub for this specific project. Anyways, I hope you dig it, enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys soon.